You know what, in the Bible, if you want to experience breakthrough, there are only three things. All right? Number one, integrity. Number two, humility. Number three, generosity. Do you know that there are more than 7,000 promises in the Bible? And there are many promises connected to generosity. And you know what? Generosity is love in action. You can give without loving. Yes, that is for sure. But you cannot love without giving. Because love gives. God so loved the world, and He gave His only begotten Son. Isn't it give? So love is about giving and not getting. But you know what? The Bible tells us that we must be good at giving as well. Actually, we must be excellent on giving. I believe that is part of your transformation. Now, before we were stingy because we did not trust the Lord. People are stingy because they are not trusting the Lord. But we cannot give generously